Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done, as the chart had another very nice day. First thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of these lines. Sure, those lines still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So I want to just try to make sure that this stays as clean as possible. So the first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, 360 was that area of resistance, but now that the price is up above there, that would definitely be the near term and preferable level of support. Meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Definitely if the price can stay up above 360. Don't get me wrong, though. It's not like if the price falls below there, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, and this is how I'm defining the move right there, is just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 360 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, party stopped today, several occasions, right up there at about 387. So 387, public enemy number one. Although, as I'm pretty sure I've said in the past, resistance levels no longer matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price continues to build these higher bases, or if you want to picture these as stair steps, so as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. But another very nice movement today, and just like I said, focus on those healthy consolidations and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.